In this video, I'm going to teach you 4 simple steps on how to fix the status access violation error in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first method that you can do is at the bottom search bar, please type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, please proceed with the best match. Click on Open to continue. In a few moments, you would be able to bring up a window which is your Google Chrome browser. Now we just have to wait until everything are set before we can continue. So once everything are set here, please navigate to the Windows search bar and type for Chrome colon // restart. Then click on enter. In the moment you do it, you will be able to restart your Google Chrome. So check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then moved on to the second method, and that is you need to bring up your File Explorer. And from here, please navigate to the left pane and click on the C drive or local disk. So from here, click on the program files, double tap to it, select for Google, and click on the Chrome, double tap to it, and select for application, and it will show you here the Chrome. So you need to rename that. Okay, to just rename anything. Let me just close it since I have accidentally double tapped to it. That's why it's appearing. So just rename it into Chrome 1. Click on enter, click on continue, and once you have renamed it, try to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? However, if not, then you need to close this window. Okay, and moved on to the third method. The third method would be you need to proceed at the button search bar here. Okay, and here please type for memory and Windows Memory Diagnostic would appear. Please click on open to continue. So all you need to do is you need to click on restart now and check for problems. So restart it, okay? And the moment you do it, complete the process and check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to navigate to the fourth and last method, and that is here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for control panel. Once you're done typing, click on the open option to continue. And here you need to navigate to the programs and features, which is being placed at the first row next to mail, and locate for Google Chrome. So from here, all you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with uninstall. Once you have done install it again in any of the browser that you have. Okay, for example, Edge, just type it here, Edge. Okay, and once a best match would appear, click on open to continue. And at the search bar, type for Chrome space download, click on the enter key, and just proceed to the first result, which is Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser built to be yours. All you need to do is you need to wait, and once it is being ready, click on this download Chrome and download and install it into Windows. And you can use this newly installed Google Chrome as your Google Chrome browser in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.